learning spaces and the environment that the students work in is really important, especially in design and technology. So some lessons they come in and they're doing design, collaborative work, and then the next day they're coming in and they're using the machinery and equipment. So they need to feel safe in the environment, but they also need to feel confident when they're using new equipment.